So another source of power and stability in my swing is I squat. So when I'm up here, I'm not just turning, I'm squatting with my knees here. Okay? And my thighs will open. At a club, will go on a 45 this way. My shoulders do the same, 45 out this way. But I'm squatting for stability. And then that butt cap goes out and around. My hand does a 45 this way, like a karate chop, but I'm moving out towards my back foot. So the result is I'm cracking the whip. Okay? You won't go right if you do this. You know, you'll have it very square this way relative to your body. You don't roll. It's very square. Okay, so if you can even have a close stance, squat, you open up with your chest and your thighs go this way, open, even though your feet can be closed. Then you'll come into your navel and you get a wonderful snap. Even with one hand, it could hit a ball a long way. Okay, and you'll have a nice balanced finish, but squat's important. Because if I come up here, I stay straight up, I don't have the ground to support me as his arms come around. Just a little squat and your butt comes out. Boom. It gives you really good weight. You'll feel really rooted in the ground. And it allows for support of the arms flying around. Okay? It's real smooth when you go slow. Or fast. A lot of power. Anyway, have a good day. I'm going to practice a bit.